Excretory products and their elimination chapter. Focus area based questions and answers will be discussed in this video. First question, name the major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by animals. The answer is ammonia, urea and uric acid. Now the process of excreting ammonia is called dash. The answer is ammonotelism. Next question. The process of excreting urea is called ureotelism. Now the process of excreting uric acid is called uricotelism. Distinguish between the three and learn well. Dash is the most toxic form of nitrogenous waste excreted by animals. The answer is ammonia. Name the least toxic excretory products in animals. The answer is uric acid. Now write few examples of ammonotelic organisms. The answer is bony fishes, aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects. Write examples of ureotelic animals. The answer is mammals, many terrestrial amphibians and marine fishes. Now write examples of uricotelic animals. Answer is reptiles, birds, land snails and insects. Now bony fish ammonotelic is given. Then next question, man is dash. The answer is ureotelic. Name the structural and functional unit of kidney. The answer is nephron. Glomerulus along with Bowman's capsule is called dash. The answer is Malpighian body or renal corpuscle. Renal tubule begins with a double-walled cup-like structure called dash. The answer is Bowman's capsule. Dash is a tuft of capillaries formed by the afferent arteriole. The answer is glomerulus. Expand the following. First one is JGA. The answer is juxtaglomerular apparatus. Next one, PCT. The answer is proximal convoluted tubule. Third one, DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Fourth one is GFR. The answer is glomerular filtration rate. Last one, ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. Now distinguish between cortical nephrons and juxtaglomerular nephrons. In majority of nephrons, the loop of Henle is too short and extends only very little into the medulla, and such nephrons are called cortical nephrons. Now in some of the nephrons, the loop of Henle is very long and runs deep into the medulla, and these nephrons are called juxtamedullary nephrons. Which are the different steps in urine formation? The answer is glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. Now what is called glomerular filtration rate or GFR? The amount of the filtrate formed by the kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate or GFR. GFR in a healthy individual is approximately 125 ml per minute, that is 180 liters per day. Now why glomerular filtration is called ultrafiltration? Blood is filtered so finely through the slit pores and almost all the constituents of the plasma except the proteins pass on to the lumen of the Bowman's capsule. Therefore, it is called ultrafiltration. Now, why tubular secretion is an important step in urine formation? The answer is because it helps in the maintenance of ionic and acid-base balance of body fluids. Next question, write the location of juxtaglomerular apparatus or JGA. JGA is a special sensitive region formed by cellular modifications in the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole at the location of their contact. Now name the hormone that facilitates water reabsorption from the tubule. The answer is antidiuretic hormone, ADH or vasopressin. Name the factor released from heart that help in the regulation of kidney function. The answer is atrial natriuretic factor. Now how is the functioning of kidneys is efficiently monitored? The functioning of the kidneys is efficiently monitored and regulated by hormonal feedback mechanisms involving hypothalamus, JGA, to a certain extent by heart also. Now identify the disease. Accumulation of urea in blood, the answer is uremia. Now stone or insoluble masses of crystallized salts, oxalates, etc. formed within the kidney, the answer is renal calculi. Third one, inflammation of glomeruli of kidney. The answer is glomerulonephritis. It is an important question, learn well. Name the process by which urea can be removed from the blood in uremic patients. The answer is hemodialysis. Hope it was informative to you. All of you learn well for your examination. Don't forget to share the video also.